Morning letter of storage, 1 point communication now. Today is March 25th, Thursday. This is Fumio Takano, bilingual YouTubers, 1 point communication. Yeah, you only taking a look at my video diary. Yeah, every day I speak out both in English and Japanese, so that I have been called a bilingual YouTuber. Yeah, you can only taking a look at, you can become a very nice communicator, because every time I speak out one key point, yeah, in communication technique. Today, also, I would like to inform you about a newly published book. Yeah, this book, yeah, 思考人間. Yeah, this book has been published this January. But as you know, this naming 思考人間 is not so good. Yeah, some person, my friend, said to me, Takano sensei, 思考人間, that book's naming is not so good. So it's better to change this naming, so that this March I have changed that name of book. Yeah, 電池人間から脱せよ. Yeah, 電池人間から脱せよ. Subtitle is 55% donkey, 5% thinking white lion. Yeah, I recommend you to become a thinking white lion. That means genuine leader. Okay, what is 電池人間? Okay, I will explain to you. As you know, there are alkaline battery, 単1、単2、単3、単4. Yeah, small scale or small capacity person. Yeah, their knowledge or their capacity are the same as 単4, small capacity. Second, 単3, yeah, and 単2. 単1 is the biggest alkaline battery. Okay, alkaline battery. But every salaried man is classified as 単1サラリーマン、単2サラリーマン、単3サラリーマン、単4サラリーマン. Yeah, 単1サラリーマン, yeah, that's the same as a 部長 or director or president. 単2, that means the same as block leader, 課長さん. Yeah, 単3, that means 主任さん, チームリーダー, 係長は主任さん. Or last, smallest battery is 単4, is a non-title, just a special worker. Okay, but every ranking salaryman will be wiped out when he became 65 years old as a retirement time. Every person working as a salaried man has been wiped out from the organization. Oh my God! So that within our younger days, we should prepare the after retirement 65 years. Yeah, without preparation, miserable when we become the retirement time is coming. Yeah. So that in the younger days, 20 or 30 years old, should start to prepare their elder aged days. Yeah. So that I think I recommend to become a dynamo style of worker. Dynamo. If dynamo, you know, to see the bicycle, you will rotating your bicycle. Yeah, electricity will be poured, yeah, until you are rolling your okay, saddle, saddle, bicycle, yeah, but, yeah, you can make an electricity, you can make an energy until die, but every time you should make a rotation, yeah, it's called 自転車操業. 自転車操業. What I cannot say it in English. 自転車操業. Yeah, I recommend you most extreme style is to establish solar system before your retirement time. Solar system, only to have a system you can get the money, automatically without no work, without no so much effort. Finally, I will show you two examples. I have a friend. He is a pilot of JAL. As an annual payment as a pilot, captain of the JAL airline, 20 million yen, 2000万円です。JAL のパイロットは2000万。But as a higher level of Amway, I am not an Amway one, my friend. He is at high level of Amway organization. He gets an annual money around 1億円。1億円。And another one person who is a high level Amway lady in living in 葛飾, her income, he said, 50 million yen, 5000万円。If a salaried man will make preparation such as to making such a solar system, without working, automatically getting the money, such a style is best. Such a style is best. Battery style, dynamo style, solar system style. My explanation is not enough, so more 1 or 2 times I will explain to you totally. Thank you!